The Tornado V3 is X-Man's 2022 flagship 3x3. It features a dual adjustment system, adjustable magnets, and a glossy exterior. It comes in 3 versions: the Standard, the Flagship, and the Pioneer. It comes with a bag, a solving guide, a pamphlet on how to use the cube, a magnet adjustment tool, a cube box, and a cleaning cloth. The puzzle has excellent corner cutting. It is very fast, yet it is still very stable. The dual adjustment system features a handle that you can flip up and adjust the tensions with. Out of the box, the cube is very fast, so I lubed it with some Galaxy and weight 2, and it was perfect. Its stickerless shades are very easy to see, and they contrast very well against one another. Here is some more information about the cube. Here's a closer look at the piece design. I bought the flagship version because I still prefer springs and screws over maglev. The corner core magnets are noticeable and add to the stability. The cube is quiet, fast, and smooth. You can turn at full speed on this puzzle without having to worry about pops or corner twists. Overall, I would recommend this speedcube to anybody because I believe it is the best cube of 2022.